Okay, we're getting ready to start our first pour here at this project, and we are just finishing out the footings. We're going to be pouring this all in a monolithic pour, and we're going to be able to do this by using Reddiform. And this is the first part where we're going to use Reddiform today. We're able to achieve our frost wall by going down 4 feet. And these blocks, we can do that and backfill it because these blocks have a web in it, and they can take compression. And this is one of the huge advantages of Reddiform. They go together, and we'll see a lot more of this later, but they just snap together like that. And then we've stacked our 4-foot wall up here and started to backfill it. The wall goes down 4 feet, and we've got a rebar cage in, and then what we do here is haunch the form. So we cut out the front face of the form and extended our rebar, and essentially what we did is transfer our bearing up to the top of the slab. And conventionally, this job would have taken, at this stage, 3 pours. It would have done a footing, a frost wall, and then a floating slab inside. But by being able to do this with Reddiform, we are going to do all 3 of those pours in 1 pour. This is actually our footing. We have fill coming up. There's a wall above here at later point. There's 4 foot of frost protection, which is going to be the soil, which is going to be the dirt that's going to give us our frost protection. So we put our footing right here, and this is 10 inches thick versus 4 inches thick here, and that's what we call it, is a haunch the footing. So this is deeper, and it goes up to a shallower where it's just going to be the concrete slab for the garage floor. This is at grade because there's going to be 4 feet of fill on this side. On this side, are going to be the garage doors. So now the garage door is going to be at grade so you can drive in, therefore we need the frost wall. And by using Reddiform here, we can get our frost protection, 4-foot frost protection that's required by code, and have an integral footing, which is a huge savings of time. It's going to take 3 pours and turn it into 1 pour, and we'll be ready to do walls tomorrow. This is a column pad, which is going to give me the bearing for my load-bearing wall for the main beam that's going to come down. This is also a haunch footing, so in our main beam or wall is going to come right down the middle of the garage door, and the floor is going to get framed onto that. As a frost wall only, the Reddiform didn't provide enough bearing for the point load that's going to come right here. So we created this column pad, which is going to be tied into the footing integrally, and it's all monolithic. The column will come down right on this